Hope you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey to build the admin panel for JustEat application. So in the last lesson we have finished stuff like this, the readers from the deep database, etc. And we have created this view for the edit and update. Okay, so let's handle the backend. When I click the save, basically I want to save into the database a new restaurant. Okay, so how we can do that? We go to administrator and yes, we have a store here. Okay, if I click here, store, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. So let's go do the logic here. First of all, always guys, you need to do the validation. Okay, I will do the validation in here, but just for this tutorial you can do create a new request and you put the validation in there, but for this tutorial we will do it in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to validate what? Well, some rules in here. So first one is name. Okay, will be required. And what else we have? We have slag. Okay, and we have latitude. Okay, and we have this as well, and we have postcode. And what else require? What else? Address and image as well. Okay, so restaurant image. Okay, this one. Okay, cool. And postcode twice. Why? Okay, let's check this. If I go into the form admin panel, create in here. Okay, cool. So we have the image in here. Alright, cool. So let's go back and just after validate. So this will return an error. So this will do the validation for us. If okay, everything is okay, I want to grab the image first of all. So how we can grab the image from the request? So from the request like this file. Okay, what the name of it, which is this one. Okay, the name. I go back here and I tell him, okay, please give me this one. Okay, then the name in here, I want to give me the slag. Okay, and let's do this, import the class. Okay, this one. Okay, so what in here will be requests. Okay, and what we call input, I believe, name. Okay, so this will grab the name for us, and I will create slag for this. Okay, like this, and I will make time, so not going to deprecate it at all. Okay, after this, okay, after, so I create slag from this and I put a name with the time here, and I connect it with this one. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I will create file path in here to save the image. Okay, so this will be name. Okay, come on. Okay, and I will concatenate with this like this with dot. Okay, and this will be image. Okay, and I believe this something called get the client origin extension. Okay, so I hope this self-explained. So I will create from the name, restaurant name, create a slag with the time, then give me the path. For example, let's see image called restaurant name or whatever. We have restaurant called wow, for example, and this will make like this, and we'll grab the time, which is the time now, for example. Okay, and then it will make the image like this. Okay, the extension for the image. Okay, after this what I'm going to do is to create, and what I want to create. Okay, so create the restaurant inside our DB, which basically similar to this one will be like this. Okay, so okay, so let's fill this bad boy very quickly. Okay, so I will grab the name here, and I will have the slag as well. The slag, what the slag will be in here? So this will be similar to this one, I believe. Okay, so the name. Okay, and we have this and this. So this will be basically this and basically this, and postcode and address and blah 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 blah. Okay, so this will be the address and this will be the postcode. And do we have something else in here? Yes, the image name meet. What the image name will be the file path. Okay, so this unique name. Okay, and we save it for the restaurant. Okay, after this, guys, I want to return or redirect. Okay, where I want to redirect to the route. I forget what is the route name. So where is it? And yeah, so restaurant index, I believe. Yep, this one. Okay, so please go there and with message. Okay, what is the message will be for? Let's give it key first. Restaurant added successfully. Okay, cool. In here, so we have this one like this. Okay, very good. So let's test if this works, hopefully. So let's go ahead and do just that. So let's do the validation first. Save. Voila, see how this is beautiful. Let's bring us in here. So what the validate doing is to check all the rules and will go back there to the page that make the request, which is this one here, create. Then in here, guys, as I explained before, so this, yes, indeed there is some error. Okay, I placed loop inside all the error. So we have this like class like red. Okay, make the div like red, and then loop inside and make this lovely. Okay, if I make it blah blah, the name will disappear now. You see, let's make slag, let's blah 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 blah, and we have two error or three error now. Okay, so let's make this and let's choose a picture. I don't have picture. Okay, so I will do some picture. Okay, so let's pick the, let's click save. Okay, the picture now. So let's review the logic very quickly here. So okay, so we'll pass this now, and I will the image name and file path, and yeah, so this should be it in here, I believe. So get line extension, so everything is fine, I believe. Okay, file, and yes. Okay, guys, I forgot where we want to save the image. Okay, so in the request in here. Okay, so we can do something like what the restaurant image, isn't it? Yeah, this one. So in the request, okay, I want to move it, okay, and the public path, which is this one. Okay, in images folder. Okay, and what the name of it will be like this. Okay, so in here, guys, so this will do the trick for us. Images and public path in here. So this is wrong here. Okay, cool. So restaurant image, which is the image come from here, blah 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 blah, and yes, it will move, it will save the image in here. Okay, in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and try just that. So I will, yeah, we have restaurant blah blah blah, and let's click let's, okay, pick it again, click save. Okay, cool. So I tell us blah blah blah, this name should be fillable. Okay, as Laravel make another security layer, so let's go in here. Okay, cool. So we need a guarded. Okay, I believe, yeah, this one. Okay, we can use guarded or fillable. If I use fillable, I have to do all the field, okay, in here, like name, blah 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 blah. But I will disable this feature by use guarded. You have to be aware, you can do it all. So this like a layer, security layer from Laravel to ensure what field should be filled. Okay, and column not found, which is this one. Okay, let's see what the column name exactly. Yep, let and So I maybe in here, okay, and this will be like this, okay. Yep. Okay, let's see if we get it right now. Cool. Here we go. We have our restaurant here, but the message doesn't show here. So let's go ahead and fix this very quickly. It should be, guys, very easy. It's not complicated at all. So let's go ahead and do just that. So in here, so we need to show the success. Blah 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 in here. So in the body, or where should we do it? In the heading, maybe. Yep, here. So this is the best place to do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do just so alert success in here. Okay, and I will grab the message. Very simple. Okay, so yes, we have the message. I believe that's it in here. Yep. Yes. Okay, so this is the message. And get success. Okay, so this is the parameter, the key. How we can grab the key? Okay, basically if this message, if we have value here, okay, in the session like this, okay, it's very simple, guys. Okay, if we get this means yes, please do and if. Okay, if we have something in here, okay, it will go inside and we will get this message, which is basically this one. Okay, very straightforward and very, so let's see if I believe I need to, yes, it will work. It will work and it will show the message. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the edit in here. Okay, so the edit should be easy one. Okay, so in the edit in the index in the loop in the restaurant here, so we have an action here. So we will do this for the delete, but for the edit we will do route. What is the route name? Which is this one. Okay, edit. And okay, do we need parameter? Yeah, indeed we need parameter, which is the restaurant ID. Okay, so this will go, guys, to in here and to the edit action, which is, we don't have it, which is good. Okay, which is good. Let's go ahead and create an edit in here before we get edit. Okay, and this edit will have the request. Okay, and I will teach you a very nice feature, guys. You remember that we have the ID, we pass the ID, isn't it, here? Okay, so how if we tell Laravel to model binding in here? So for example, I will do something like restaurant here and restaurant like this. Okay, so this will contain the restaurant automatic that we need to edit. Okay, and here I will return the view, which is the admin.restaurant. You can create a new for the edit, but I will use the create one. Okay, and I will compact, and this will be the parameter here. And you know the compact, I have show you the last lesson how it work. Okay, and yes, we don't use the request, but if it, we might use it. So the create, which is this one. After the create, this will show and it will see that we have something in here. So this will work like this. The value here will be in the form, so we'll let it automatically. So let's see if we get it right. Yep, cool. So as we can see, guys, name blah 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 blah, and let's do the save now. When you click the save, which is this one, okay, it will go to the, should go to the update. How it will go to the update? Because the condition, guys, we have done it here, right? If we are in the edit, yes, we have now edit, because we are in the edit mode. We have the ID in the URL, right? So let's see. Yep, this one. Okay, and the add we don't have. So in this form, it will where is it? Yeah, it will call this update, which is in here. We don't have it, so let's create it. Okay, public function update and the request. Okay, guys, and I believe it will be something very similar to this, okay, but in here, so we have to do something very nice as well. We can do, what is it? Okay, we can do something like this. Grab the restaurant again from here, okay, and we can make like this and update, and this will be like this, so like a method in here. And we have, I don't want to make the image, so for sake of this, let's make like this, and let's make update. Of course you can do the validation as well here. So if we, the correct way, the proper way, you can move this to the create a new request called restaurant request, and you put your logic there, and here will be a restaurant request. But for this tutorial I will keep it like this, okay, a restaurant updated here. Okay, so let's see if this works. Okay, I will call this, okay, yep, it's cool, and our message in here. So okay, how about the delete, guys? Okay, the delete thingy, I will go in here again, and I have forum in here for it, so I will call route, come on, okay, route, and it will be restaurant.destroy, okay, and it will be post in here. But here, guys, we need the CSRF ROE, okay, and we need to tell that this method will be delete method delete. Okay, let's make it capital. Okay, so this, when we submit the form in here, which is the delete, it will go to the destroy. Of course we don't have this action, or maybe we don't have this route either, right? So we don't have this route, are we? Okay, so we need to create it very quickly. Okay, so let's create it. And guys, also we can use a resource for this. You don't need to write all of this, but for sake as a step, you need to do it manually like this. Okay, so I will do this like this in here, and I will make this like delete. Okay, and please go to destroy. Okay, and this will be destroy in here, which is this one in here. Okay, and yeah, so this should be it in here. So we have finished with this. So let's create the logic, which is very simple and very straightforward. Okay, public function destroy, and let's grab the restaurant immediately. Okay, which is blah blah blah. And why he's doing like this? Okay, so let's grab it from here, guys. Okay, cool. So now I want to delete very straightforward, okay, like this, and I will return the message in here that this is a method restaurant deleted successfully. Okay, and this should be it in here, destroy, which is in here, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's test this. Okay, let's test this again. Let's go back in restaurant route destroy is not exist, missing. Okay, so we are missing parameter. I know where is this come from. So, and the web, the copy and paste is very bad. Okay, so what we have to do is very quickly do some modification. Okay, so let's go in here. Yep, so let's pass it in here. Yeah, the same what we have done to the update, like this. Yeah, this should be it in here. Okay, let's delete it and update, delete it successfully. Yes, that's all, guys, for this lesson. We have make the Crud operation, and yes, this is very good point. Now we have created the authorization, permission, and we have created edit and update and delete, and you can play with it. You can do what you want in the application products in the same way. And yes, guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. And I want to announce that I will launch a new course. So this course not finished yet, but I will launch another course. I don't know if you are familiar with Slack chat application. So completely different idea. We'll use a separate backend using Laravel Lumen, and we will use VueJs SP single page application. So completely separate. and a new course, a new material, a new idea. Very excited for this one, so will be completely different from this course. And thank you guys for your watching, and please subscribe and channel and like, and see you soon. Bye.